Another tutorial guys, another song. This song is from Noah and Joy. The title of this song is Someone Like You. In this tutorial we have two parts guys. The first part is for the intro, verses, and if I'm not wrong, there's a bridge part before the last chorus. Again, the first part is for the intro, verses, and the bridge part. And the second part is for the chorus part, okay? The second part is for the chorus part. Plucking pattern for the whole song. This is the first part, guys. Please follow me, guys. I'll show it first. The first part, this is the first part. Intro, verses, and for the bridge part. Okay? I'll show you. So, the chords are note of F. Second chord is a D minor. Then C. And then B flat. And the playing pattern are this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fret. At the 8th fret, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the 8th fret, then the form of like this. Bass note is this. 5th string for the index finger. Then second string at the 10th fret, you can use your ring or pinky finger, okay? And the playing pattern is 5 second, okay? 5th, second, and then tap, okay? Okay? Gets 5th and second string, 8th and 10th fret, okay? Okay? 5th, second, tap, okay? And then the second note is a D minor. So in this part, again 5th and second string, but this time is for the 5th fret and 6th fret, okay? From here and then here, we'll pluck these two strings, okay? Pluck, pluck, tap, pluck. Gets. And then the third note or third chords is C. So pluck again these two strings, 5th and second string. 5th and second string. This time is at the 3rd fret and on the 5th fret, okay? 5th and second string. 5th and second string. Okay? There again. Pluck, pluck, tap, pluck. Then pluck these two strings, pluck. Pluck, and then the last note is same position of the fingers. Will slide at the 1st fret, okay, like this. Okay, pluck, tap, pluck. Okay, B flat. Okay, pluck, tap, pluck. 5th and second string again. Pluck, tap, pluck. Okay, that is for the intro, verses, and if I'm not wrong, there is a bridge part. This is the plucking pattern for this part. Let us play this, guys, okay? Intro, verses, and for the bridge part. Pluck, pluck, okay? Pluck, tap, pluck, okay? That is for the intro, verse, and the other part. Let's proceed for the chorus part, guys. This is the second part. This is the chorus part. Let's play the ending of verse, pre-chorus. Then chorus. This is the chorus part. F, D minor, then flat. So the chords in this part are F, then D minor, then B flat, then F. Then the playing pattern in this part is a note of F again, then this time is 6, then 4th string, third string, 6, then 3rd string, okay? 6, 3rd, then tap, pluck, pluck. Okay, that is the first chord F and the playing pattern. Pluck, pluck, tap, and then the second chord is D minor. Same position of fingers like the verse. Okay, 5th and second string. Okay. Then the third chord in this part. So for the third chord, there is changes for playing pattern. In this part, 5th and second string again, but this time 5th, second, then tap. Okay. Okay. For the third chord. Okay. 5th second tap, okay? Tap. And then the last chord is repeat the F note, but this time we'll pluck this together. Okay? F. Like the first chord, 6 and 3rd string, but the last plucking pattern is we'll pluck this together. Okay? Again, let's play the chorus part. Pluck, pluck. Then okay? This chorus part. This is the chorus. Pluck, pluck, tap, pluck. Pluck, pluck, tap, pluck. Okay? This is the chorus part. That is the chorus part. That's all, guys. This is our simple interpretation of how to play this song. Please don't forget those plucking pattern. Again, for the intro verses. Then the chorus part. This is our simple interpretation of how to play this song. If you learned this tutorial, guys, please like this video, guys. This song is from Noah and Joy. Shout out to all of you. Bye bye, guys. See you in my next video.